Hello friends, welcome back to login and registration tutorial here. So we have added login twice, so let's remove one of them. We'll write the code for the functionality. You can change the text color. Let's go to login activity. We'll create a new Java class as data helper. Extend SQL open helper. Same way we'll write for database tables and the column name. We have three columns here, column 1, column 2, column 3. Column 1 is ID, column 2 and 3 will be the username and password here. Implement methods like this. Click OK. One more, click on this first one and click OK. Remove this. Write database name. So writing the query for creating a table. I'm setting the ID as auto increment. I forgot to change this. You have to write different name for your column and the table. Write it down here. If the database exists, we can drop the table and call the onCreate method again like this. You can keep it as void, or if you want to return value, you can use long. I'm using this function to add a user. And this function will be called for registration. It will insert the username and the password value in the database. Now we are going to write another function for checking if the user exists or not, so that we can go to login screen. Take the parameter as username and password. Now we will write the query. Here we want to check if the count is greater than 0. If it is true, the data exists. Go to login activity. Now, so after clicking on login button, we want to perform some function. We will write it here. First, we will get the username. We'll get the username and the password in these strings. And I'm going to call this function here, passing these two parameters. If it is true, you can toast a message like yes, you are registered, or you can use intent and go to another activity or home screen. In the else condition, you can display an error message. I forgot to change it to register since it is a registration screen. Similarly for registration activity also. We need on-click listener after clicking on registration button. Here we will take the value and call the registration function which we created in database helper. This is very basic if else conditions. You can add more validations. So we are going to check if the password is matching. If the password and confirm password is same, we will call the add user method and we will go to another screen like this. Yes, don't forget to add this method and pass the parameters user and password. We can directly add this user or you can check it using if and else condition. Since the ID was text view login there, we have to change it here. Copy the ID, paste it here. Similarly for button also. So you can run and see. Give the username and password. Try to confirm password. So it is showing the message as registered. And successfully logged in. So this is it. If you write the password as different, you can see the toast message, password is not matching. We can customize it further. If we want to go to, after login, if we want to go to home screen, we can write intent. New activity here. We have to create an activity. Home screen, click on finish. Let's add a text view in this home screen. Now you can run and check. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.